According to an article on GuitarDivision.com, roughly 50 million people in the world know how to play guitar in some way, shape, or form, even if that means they only know the simplest of chords. And today, I'm going to be helping you join those numbers. To start off, let's know the basics of our guitar. I'll be using a standard acoustic guitar today. It has 6 strings and is tuned as the following: E, A, D, G, B, E. Although other tuning methods could be used, this is the standard method. Let's move on to frets. The frets are these metal bars here. Hold down in between these metal bars to make different noises. There's 20 frets in total on a standard acoustic guitar, although there is a difference between different guitars, such as an electric could be tuned differently, or a banjo has less strings. Let's start out. We'll be looking at our fingers and giving numbers to each of them. Our pointer is number 1, the middle is number 2, our ring is number 3, and the pinky is number 4. We give these numbers to quickly distinguish which finger we should use on each string. Strumming. There are multiple ways to strum, although the most efficient way and easiest way to learn how to strum is with a pick, although using a thumb could be easy as well. Then there's plucking. Plucking is just plucking strings individually. Switching between frets and having a rapid series of these can produce music. Now let's get on to playing. Today we'll be learning 4 basic chords: the E chord, the E minor chord, the A chord, and the A minor chord. First, we'll be learning the E chord. The E chord goes as follows. Put your second finger on the A string, your third finger on the D string, and your first finger on the G string, and then play. That is the E chord. Now the E minor chord is an easy switch. All you do is take your first finger off the G string. That is the E minor chord. Now we'll be going to the A chord. The A chord goes as follows. Your third finger on the D string, second finger on the G string, and your first finger on the B string for the first fret. Then you play. That is the A chord. Now the A minor chord is just as easy from switching from E to E in. You just take your first finger off, and that's the A minor chord. Then there is plucking. I'm going to demonstrate how to pluck Ode to Joy on my guitar. And it's a pretty easy learn. All you're using is just one string. That is Ode to Joy, played on the high E string. In conclusion, now that you've seen how to play, you can get started on your journey to learning the guitar fully. As long as you remember the basics of the guitar, how to start, and some of the basic chords plus some plucking techniques, you'll be fine in playing, and you'll be fine in playing music in no time. Thank you. I'm just gonna submit. Oh.